I've seen her face, I've heard her name. I've lost my place and she's to blame. And I can't stand it when I'm staring in her eyes and she's not looking back. It ain't a big surprise. I've heard music, I've heard noise. I wish that she could hear her voice the way that I do when I go to sleep at night and dream my life away. And she's gone when I awake. Sammy, Sammy, why can't you see what you're doing to me? Way her hair falls in her eyes makes me wonder if she'll ever see through my disguise. I'm under her spell. Everything is falling, but I don't know where to land. Everyone knows who she is, but she don't know who I am. Sammy, Sammy, why can't you see what you're doing to me? I've seen you singing on that stage, looking like an angel, and all I do is pray that maybe one day you'll hear my song and understand that all along there's something more that I'm trying to say. When I say Sammy, Sammy, why can't you see what you're doing to me? What you're doing to me, Sammy. Oh, when I say Sammy, oh, when I say, why can't you see? Oh, what you're doing to me. Oh, what you're doing to me. I feel like a loser. I feel like I'm lost. I feel like I'm not sure if I feel anything at all. But believe me, I'm not helpless. I just need someone to love. So my situation's rough, but that just makes me a dumb human like you. I feel like a shortstop along third base. I may just help you, but I still don't like your face. But believe me, I'm not hostile. I just want to hear you laugh. When I'm sarcastic like that, that just makes me a dumb human like you. Why do I have this incredible need to stand up and sing? Please pay attention. It's The last thing that I need to make myself see, well, that ain't my intention. No. I feel like an artist who's lost his touch. He likes himself in his art, but not his art too much. But believe me, I've got something I just don't know how to say. That I'm just fine with the way that I'm moving. But that just makes me a dumb human. That makes me a human like you. I'm going nowhere, I can't move forward. I'm so much colder than I've been since the October when we were closer, and it was love that we were in. If I was a smarter man, I'd understand I'm alone when I look in the mirror. You said our goodbyes then, but I close my eyes and you're still here. I'm going nowhere, just getting older, watching the whole world pass me by. Against better reason, I take memories and sit back and repeat them every night. And maybe I stay too long and play this song. I don't mind, I'm inclined to agree. If I'm going nowhere, then there is nowhere I'd rather be. I wonder if she remembers anything the way that I do her. Wonder if pre-September ever was the way we were. If I'm going nowhere, then there is nowhere I'd rather be. I wonder if she remembers anything the way that I do her. Wonder if pre-September ever was the way we were. It's all a blur. I'm going nowhere, you said it's over. Still I look forward to the fall. Another October, I'm sorry, I know you're expecting a less than sober call. And maybe you're right, I'm scared it might go nowhere. And it's making it hard to believe that I'm going nowhere. And there is nowhere I'd rather be. If you could just show where I can go nowhere, that's where I'll be. They're cleaning up the confetti, it's an empty room. Plastic cups in the corner. Many times you have carried me higher up than I could reach. but this time you're on my shoulders. And while there's something to talk about, and while there's something to say, I promise you I won't be gone on the day that the dance is over. I will be your song. Keep holding on the day that the dance is over. I will be your song. You can put away your costume, you can be yourself. There is nothing to be scared of. They can turn all the lights out, leave us standing in the dark, but I'm not going anywhere, love. No. And while there's something to talk about, and while there's something to say, I promise you I won't be gone on the day that the dance is over. I will be your song. Keep holding on the day that the dance is over. I will be your song. I will be yours. I know the party is over. I know that all good things must end. But I believe there is music in the silence. And while there's something to talk about, and while there's something to say, I promise you that I won't be gone on the day that the dance is over. I will be your song. Keep holding on, 'cause on the day that the dance is over, I will be your song. Dreamed a dream in time gone by. Hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. Dreamed that God would be forgiving. I was young and unafraid. Dreams were made and used, not wasted. There was no ransom to be paid. No song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers come at night. with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they tear your dreams to shame. She slept a summer by my side, filled my days with endless wonder. She took my childhood in her stride, but she was gone when autumn came. And still I dream she'll come to me. We will spend the years together, but there are dreams that cannot be. Yeah. There are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now than what it seems. Our life has killed the dreamer. Dream. I've been alone, surrounded by darkness. I've seen how heartless the world can be. I've seen you crying, felt like it's hopeless. I'll always do my best to make you see. Baby, you're not alone, 'cause you're here with me. And nothing's ever gonna bring us down, 'cause nothing can keep me from loving you. And you know it's true. It don't matter what'll come to be. Our love is all we need to make it through. Now I know it ain't easy, but it ain't hard trying. Every time I see you smiling, and I feel you so close to me, and you tell me, baby, you're not alone, 'cause you're here with me. Nothing's ever gonna bring us down, 'cause nothing can keep me from loving you. And you know it's true. It don't matter what'll come to be. Our love is all we need to make it through. I still have trouble. I trip and stumble trying to make sense of things sometimes. I look for reasons, but I don't need them. All I need is to look in your eyes, and I realize, baby, I'm not alone, 'cause you're here with me. And nothing's ever gonna take us down, 'cause nothing can keep me from loving you. And you know it's true. It don't matter what'll come to be. Our love is all we need to make it through. Oh, 'cause you're here with me. And nothing's ever gonna bring us down. 'Cause nothing can keep me from loving you. And you know it's true. Oh, it don't matter what I'm gonna be. You know our love is all we need. Our love is all we need to make it through. Baby, I don't care the what, when, how, or where. Folks will laugh and try to make a fuss. They'll try to make things hard for us, but baby, I don't care. Darling, I don't mind what they think they'll find. Of all the secrets they have told, at least I still got you to hold. So, darling, I don't mind. 'Cause I'll be the one to hold you when the nights are cold. And although I know I've told you, I will tell you forever that I don't give a damn if they can't understand. Of all the things that I've learned, they're nothing far as I'm concerned, so I don't give a damn. 'Cause I'll be the one to hold you when the nights are cold. And although I know I've told you, I will tell you forevermore that baby, ain't no thing that bite venom sting. 'Cause even if it got to go, well, I kiss you with the antidote. So, baby, it ain't no thing. And darling, I don't care. Baby, I don't. Baby, I don't. Say, wasn't that a funny day? Gee, you had a funny way about you. Kind of glow, but something new. Sure, I'll admit that I'm the same. Another sucker for a game kids like to play, and the rules we like to use. Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? The sun telling me the night is done. Well, I refuse to let it stop our fun. Close your eyes, we'll make it dark again. Kiss. There's a thought, so how about this? Let's pretend that both our lips are made of candy. After all, we need sweets every now and then. Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? But here we are, two strangers in a very different place. Who knows what will happen to us next? Here we are with nothing but this little spark. It's too cold outside to lay this fire to rest. Go. How so very apropos. But goodbye just as soon as I said hello. Alright, I'll see you later. It's true. It's just a fantasy for two. But what's the difference if it all could have been true? I guess this is better. But don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? Oh, don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? Don't you want the way that I feel for you?